stuff like that bugs me. Stuff like that make me not want to drive the car. Because I don't know, I just want my car perfect, and it's not perfect yet. It's still lifted, doesn't look the best. It still only has one seat, but we're gonna make it work today. And we're gonna go to a car meet for the first time in the 350Z. So let's get it. Wish us luck. Hopefully we won't get pulled over. Hopefully we don't break down. We got Hugo in the E92. Let's see what's up, Hugo. I haven't even seen Hugo. Vegas. Hugo lives. Happy birthday, Hugo lives.
You miss me?
It was also Hugo's birthday, like 2 days ago.
Where we going?
To get state rep. I just jinxed it. So supposedly by this Carmeet tag, guys, there's like hella cops, and it's actually a known spot for cops to be giving out state reps. So hopefully we don't get a state rep today. And I'm gonna be cold as hell, guys, because the window still doesn't go up, and it is a very cold night tonight. So this is gonna suck. Still doesn't sound the best, but it sounds okay. I just need to start driving this car more. That's the only reason why I take it out today. I've never taken it to a car meet, so it's gonna be sick. No way, bro. It's too loud, bro. It looks sick. The only thing is just the wheel gap. Actually, if I lower it, if I lower it, it's gonna look way better. But it doesn't look that bad. All right, guys, we made it. The first car meet in the Z. We bought the Z. We parked the Z way in the back though, so we're not even showing it.
It's your first time, right?
What?
Bringing the Z out to me?
My first time. I should have parked it over here, but I didn't want anyone to see it, bro.
How'd you feel? Now you feel what I go through.
Horrible, bro. I hate shifting. My leg hurts. Like going through this little parking lot all slow, like bro, like come on, my foot hurts. Bro. I should have bought the GTR. And then when I got here and started seeing all these cars, I was like, yep, I should have bought the GTR.
Yeah, you should have brought the GTR. Look at the Lambo, bro.
All right, guys, we ended up moving the Z. Cause it's true. What's the point of bringing my Z to a car meet if I parked it way in the back where no one can see it? So, what's up, bro?
Thanks for coming out to the event.
Oh, is this for me?
Yeah.
Dude, thank you,
nice
bro.
of you, though.
Yeah, I remember. That's tight, bro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no worries.
Damn, that shit's clean. But there's a lot of cars here. Why did all the red cars park in the same spot, bro? They're all red. I wish I bought the GTR only because they might go on a cruise after this.
Now you gonna be the slowest one.
And I'm gonna be the slowest one now, for real. Nah, I think I could get this.
Yeah.
These are sick, bro. I love these new BRZs. I've never seen a red one before. This shit looks sick. Oh my god, these bikes, bro. This bike is crazy. That's just for sure fast. That's just for sure gapping everyone in this parking lot. David? David? It's crazy because a lot of these people were at SEMA in Vegas. So they did like it's kind of like a SEMA coming home meet, I guess. A lot of these Lambos and stuff, all crews from SEMA. I should have waited for them and came home tonight instead of yesterday. That's the one that shoots crazy flames, huh? Yeah, BMW. BMW's clean. We've cruised with them before. I've seen it before. Super sick. All the carbon fiber. Got the Lambo without the bumper on. Sheesh. Shit's sick. This one's clean. I want to do that on my next rap. Like have people sign the rap too. That'd be tight. It goes through to the paint. But my car's black. You won't see it, but don't step on the lip. This one's sick, bro. It literally looks like a cop car. Gap Patrol, bro. To gap and make them salad. Man, this shit's sick too. There's so many Lambos. This one's hard, guys, in red. The red paint is so nice. I like the fenders though. This body kit that he has. Yeah, I feel really out of place on my Z now. At least the GTR could keep up with some of these guys, but I'm not keeping up with no one today.
Not today?
Not today, bro.
I think you keep up with this. You guys have the same color.
It's so crazy how they look completely stock. This one's like completely stock, bro. Completely. It looks like it just came off the lot, too. Damn, these are sick. Some drift cars. This shit is so loud, bro. This is the time when everyone starts revving it before they leave. That shit is so loud. Alright guys, everyone's about to cruise to the next location. I'm gonna be in the back probably. I'm trying to keep up with these guys, so let's go. That shit is ridiculously loud, bro. I feel like death. To the next location, that In-N-Out. There's so many people out here. Hugo's over here meeting the homie that's named Hugo as well. His name is Hugo and he has an M3 just like Hugo. What the heck? Man, that shit clean, bro. You know she's white on white?
Damn.
White on white with white interior, bro.
Damn.
Guys, look at somebody got pulled over. I don't know if that's part of the car meet or not, but they're out the car. That sucks. Alright guys, we left the Carmeet now. We got the homie Jimmy here in the vet. We got my Z. And we got Hugo D92. We got the homies Jeets. I always forget, bro. What is it again? Golf R.
Hello.
I thought it was GTI again.
You gotta rent this one.
I know. This shit's sick. Are these new wheels again?
Yeah, temporary wheels.
Every time I see this car, it has different wheels, bro.
Get rid of them soon.
I actually like these though. These are clean.
Blend it.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.